This is January 15th, looking at the 10-year note, the granddaddy of charts here. Huge, massive global market. Let's see, world credit market linchpin. What do we think here? The inflation expectations said maybe somewhat inflation, somewhat less inflation, but really the market's not believing that vis-a-vis the gold market and the dollar market. Why is the Treasury market signaling that rates might be lower, i.e. Treasury markets going up, rates lower? I don't actually think that's the case. I think that what we've seen is an exhaust here, and we're coming off of that. We hit the weekly 5-2, and we're seeing this daily bar hold and nearby resistance as a signal of exhaust, retracement. I wouldn't be surprised to see this market continue to retrace a little bit down to the live weekly envelope top, which would be also the quarterly, the monthly envelope top. Yes, that's right. And when we look at the monthly chart, we see that we've cycled up to the top of the envelope. As the quarterly PL dot's pushing it down rather strongly. So I would see us looking forward to a retracement at least to the PL dot, monthly PL dot, which would be, where is that? In the neighborhood of like 113. So down in here somewhere, there we are. So are we going to see that? Could be down in here. There's some, on the yearly, do we think that after we get this retracement down a little higher rates, is there room to go up? There certainly is. There certainly is. We would anticipate that being possible. You hear the Fed talk, they're going to put rates down here somewhere. And they're going to put rates down here. The market thinks it's going to go up, which means that the rates will drop. In other words, they feel that the Fed is boxing itself in and it's going to have to drop rates because their recession that they anticipate is going to be severe and cause the Fed to be compelled to act. Well, we don't know. It's kind of a hazardous profession to predict the Fed. We can say the U.S. is in trouble. Everybody's anticipating a recession, so maybe the recession won't happen, since the market seems to do everything that you think it won't. On this chart, I see the weekly exhaust. I see the weekly resistance holding here, and during the next week, I expect it to be down here, which would be put it down in here. No, it would put it down here because it's a live thing. Interesting, we have the ability to put on the live envelope, so maybe we take a look at that. It's kind of helpful. You see where this is the live weekly PL dot. So this is the weekly PL dot here. This is a live weekly PL dot, which means where the market thinks the next PL dot will be. So next week's the PL dot's going to open here, and this live PL dot, this little dot here, will continue to develop upwards or downwards depending on in relation to the static dot. So it's a very useful tool. Anyway, I guess we're going to see things down here and down here and down here. That's it for the note. Let's close it off for today. Silver is kind of a good-looking market. It's also pretty strong. We'll see where things go.